In this video we're going to be playing around with the winder mechanism of this Discovery 2 door. So the other day when I was at JP's, he suggested he should move into my shop. But anyway, he was just saying something I was leaving and I thought I'd wind down the window. Only this happened. That doesn't sound very healthy, does it? So it's, like I say, it's Sunday afternoon. There's not much to do today, so I think we'll pull this off and see what's wrong with it, because I thought I had a winder for a D2. I've got a complete door, I've got a complete 4 or 5 doors for a D2. The problem is, the very winder mechanism I need is missing. But could we use parts off the other doors? Because I think it's just the runner, because obviously the motor's working. I think it's something to do with the runner. So let's get some tools out. What do we need? Screwdriver, 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 probably a hammer. Right, let's get these screws out. Where are they? It's always best to do this on gravel, so when you lose your screws you're trampled in the ground. Top tip. I noticed those screws in the handle weren't very tight. These have been off before. They're not genuine Land Rover screws. It's stainless steel. Way beyond budget of Land Rover. That's all those out. Now the screws are going to pop out in a minute, but what we're going to use now is one of these little tools here, a panel popper. See how they work? Great, because then you don't break the pins. Well, that's at least in theory. There goes the screw. Oh, 2 screws. Right, this should just lift off. Should. Oh, I'm going to have to take that cover off there. There we go. And we're off. Oh, yep, somebody's been in this before. I'm going to take off the speaker connections. Got tape on here. You can see the moisture trapped in here. Now, why have they been in here? Probably the door locks. The door locks are notoriously bad on these cars. Oh, I can see the runner here. Is ignition still on? Yeah. Oh, it's come off. Oh, it's all bent to high heaven. Wait a minute, I'll put it up a bit further and you can see. I'll take the camera off and you can have a look. Wouldn't that be funny? Oops. There you go. Can you see what's happened? there's supposed to be a square plastic block in there, and it's obviously come out. That's interesting. So, in order to fix that, it looks like we're going to have to take the... Is it only one that's out? Because we need to put another piece in here, like straighten this out, take all the mechanism off, straighten that out, take that rivet out of there and put another one in that's got the little block, I think. But there's the screw to take off the glass. There must be another panel somewhere here to access the other side screw. Well, obviously I can't do this with one hand. I'm going to pull that panel off. So instantly we can see what the problem is. This little plastic roller ring, or whatever it's called, had broken off, and it's been broken off a long time because this was right in the bottom of the door down here. So first of all, we're going to take these screws out, or back them out, this one and this one, so we can slide that runner out, because it's on slots. Slide this runner out so we can take this off the glass, and then we're going to take the number of screws out here to take out the winder mechanism. I ended up taking the screws out completely out of the bottom channel here. So now I want to grab one of these. These are really handy for breaking into cars. These are really handy for keeping the glass up. So we've taken that off. Now we're going to lift the glass up, put the pump wedge in, get it up as high as we can, shut off the little valve and pump away, and that will wedge the glass against the door so it doesn't fall on your pinkies. Isn't that good? Now to get the motor out, and this bit, yeah, wait a minute, can I get that out? Oh, it's crimped over at the end. Let's take it out. Oh, it's tight. That soon came out, didn't it? There's a little clip just under here. There we go. That's that off. And that is that off. Now this should... Oh, it's broken off. It's broken off in two places. There's an extra guide here, and it's all broken off. Can we fix it? I suppose so. You're supposed to buy a new wiper motor. You know, that wiper motor. You're supposed to buy a new unit saw, but I wonder. It looks the same as the Disco 1. I wonder if it is, because I happen to have a Disco 1 in the yard. Let me go and see, maybe I can salvage some bits. Well, I don't know about you, but I think we've struck gold. There they are, there, look. This is the Disco 2 one, this is the Disco 1. The Disco 1's got a glass guide here. But apart from that, they look identical. What's the length like? It's the same. The only difference is they've got the slots in a different place. Well, well, well. Hey, and a good thing too, that Disco over there, all the doors are perfect. They've all been full of wax oil. They're absolutely mint. Oh, what a shame. But I'm going to keep that car, because so if anybody wants a set of doors, especially red ones for a Discovery, let me know. I've got a full set there. Right, so should I take this piece off? It didn't have it on the other one, on this one. So I'll take that off, and I'm just going to stick it in. Just going to stick it in, like, and see what happens. Yeah. No rust on it at all, eh? But it's in good condition. But we'll really grease this up before we put it back. Well, after we put it back, otherwise we'll have grease all over our hands. Let's go and do that. Oh, so here we are. We needed this little plastic clip to go into here, so we can put that back in the hole up there when we need to. So we're not going to do that quite yet. First of all, we're going to put this runner up here, making sure we don't trap any wires or fingers, come to that. Now, the motor itself needs to go. Oh, I should have looked at this before. Now, where does it go? I only hope this motor works after all this messing about. Well, now I should be able to wind that down. Now I'll put these two screws back in to here. Now let the pump jack out. I'm sorry you might not be able to see much because it's such a difficult one to film, but I think we're on the right track. In fact, I know we're on the right track. Right, with a bit of luck, that should work. What a funny about. So that works. It'll take me an hour and a half of fannying about getting these bits and pieces, but we didn't have to come. Didn't cost anything. Well, it cost the customer something naturally, but I'm gonna oil those up. Well, I might even grease them. Greasing is going to be better, some light grease, and then we'll box it up and that's the job done. Don't throw away your Disco 1 parts.